Hello, and welcome to Darksn's Power BI training series. My name is Ethan, and today we're stepping into the exciting world of data visualization. At Darksn, we are dedicated to helping businesses make smarter, data-driven decisions by leveraging powerful tools like Power BI. In this series, we'll guide you step by step, covering everything from the basics of Power BI to advanced analytics techniques. Today's video will focus on the fundamentals, how to create your very first Power BI dashboard. Let's get started. There are many ways to load data in Power BI. Let's examine them. For Excel files, CSVs, and databases, we start here. Here you see the most used resources. Let's upload a CSV file as an example. As you can see, Power BI shows us the preview. Here we can check the columns and make transformations if necessary. There are three basic sections in the Power BI interface. On the left side, we have data fields and visuals. In the center is our workspace. On the right are the formatting options for the selected image. In the top menu, we have quick access to file operations, data loading, and visualization tools. With these basics, you can now start working in Power BI. In our next video, we will look at data modeling. Thanks and good work.